everyone, welcome to Shell Sugar Rush. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm going to be making a gorgeous Eiffel Tower cake requested by my niece for her 13th birthday party, which of course is Paris themed. So I thought I'd share this with all my cake lovers out there. So I started by baking 3 sheets of my favorite vanilla cake, and of course I torted these cakes and then laid them out on the biggest cake board I could possibly find. And so I filled in the layers and then began to carve my tower. Now, of course, I didn't choose to, score the cake with the shape of the tower. I decided to just go by the picture that she had originally sent me and kind of carve it freehand, which I think came out to a pretty good shape in the end. Of course, and then I put a nice crumb coat over it. Now, with this part, I did use a smaller scraper than I'm used to. It's just a little easier when going around something like this to get into all the curves and cracks. And even, of course, a flexible scraper would probably work well also. And then, of course, I stuck it in the fridge to chill and then brought it back out for that final coat and stuck it back in to chill again. Now, in the meantime, I went ahead and took a piece of the carved cake to make a little personal cake to go on the side, because I realized with the tower, there's really no room for that personal birthday message. So I just utilized the extra cake to put that message in there for her. Then I started coloring some buttercream to prepare to make the tower and the border on my cake. So I drew out the tower, and again, I didn't score the tower on the cake, which I could have done and probably would have ensured that my lines were a lot straighter. But due to time restraints, I just went ahead and did it freehand. So, but overall, it came out pretty straight, even doing that design freehand. So after I finished the design, I stuck it back in the refrigerator to chill for a bit, and then brought it back to do the border around the cake, as well as brushing some silver dust. I did brush some silver luster dust over the tower just to kind of make it pop. And then I piped some small pink flowers at the bottom and some roses as well. And you'll see here I kind of got one rose on there before my video cut off, unfortunately. But of course you can see in the end result the 4 roses I put on the bottom of the cake. And of course the cake came out absolutely beautiful. Although my lines weren't perfectly straight, of course my niece loved it and her mom, so that's all that mattered. But let me know in the comments what you think about this gorgeous design. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more videos just like this. And just an FYI, guys, I have a lot of cakes to do in March, so March will be a big cake month for me. I am going to try to video as many of those for you as I can. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. And of course, let me know what you think about the cake in the comments. I love hearing from everyone. And thank you so much for your support. See you next time.